Hi everyone. So welcome to the recorded session by Atiful Shaw on VLOOKUP. Basically, we need to understand what is VLOOKUP first. So VLOOKUP is an Excel function which is used to look at the data into a table or to find out data into a table which has been organized vertically. So in this entire course bundle, we are going to cover 18 scenarios on VLOOKUP, and that would be followed up by a bonus of HLOOKUP and XLOOKUP, and then a quiz. So we'll start with the basic one, basic VLOOKUP in this first session. So this is the data we have where the serial number, employee ID or customer ID, customer name, their city, region, and sales have been given. This is another table where we have customer IDs and we need to find out customer name. So how to go about it? So to write any function in Excel, we need to write equal to and name of the function and open bracket. So here comes a situation when some people are comfortable writing the formula here only in the cell, and some people actually prefer to click on this FX and write up the values in this pop-up. So for the people who are new to Excel, who are not quite comfortable in writing the formula into the cell, can open up this pop-up, because what is the benefit when we put our cursor on the value? It gives the explanation as well, that what is the lookup value. Then when we put the cursor in table array, it will define what is the table array. So it becomes quite helpful for the new people. So when we go by this pop-up, so these are the four arguments in VLOOKUP function. So first one is lookup value. What is the lookup value? Lookup value is the value using which you are going to access the second table. So this is my lookup value. In this case, table array, the table where we are going to, the table which we are going to refer to find out customer name using ID. So this is the table, but from where to select it? So the lookup value should be the first column into the table array. This is the golden rule in VLOOKUP. So I will select the table from here, not with serial number. Make sure you are taking care of this point, else it will not work. What is the column index number? Uh, from the lookup value ID, how many column I need to shift to the right. So this is the first column and this is the second column. If I number it, this is 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. So how will we write the formula? VLOOKUP. So my lookup value is 1, 2, 3, my table array, taking ID as the first column, as I explained, index number 2, as I need customer name, which is in the column number 2, and range lookup, I will write false because I'm looking for the exact match. Basically, it gives us two options, true or false. So in case we write true, it will give us the closest match. And in case we are writing false, it will give us the exact match. So I will write false and I will say okay, and I will get the answer. So 1, 2, 3 ID refers to the person with the name David Huddleston. This is the answer I got. Now come to the reference part. So in this case, I scroll it down further to get rest of the values. I get my answer. But why we are not getting this value? Because 456 is not there in this list. So basically, we do not have this value. Apart from that, as we know that the table array is fixed, it will remain same for all the IDs. So we can fix this up as well. So put the cursor at the end of the cell name and then you can press F4. It will freeze the cell. It will basically add the dollars and the cell will be frozen. And enter. It's not going to change anything. It's just that we are fixing the value which is fixed and is not expected to be changed when we drag it down. We have not fixed up I5, obviously, because it will change in every row. So this basic should be clear to go ahead with rest of the sessions. So this is the basic. It has 4 arguments: lookup value, lookup array, the column index number, and lookup range. So these are the four arguments.